Hi there, Dory Sukup here with another product of the month. I am super excited today to talk to you about forecasting and budgeting for success. Yes, talking about money. So during my corporate career, as you know, when I ran a resort in Orlando, October was a very busy month for all the leadership team. It was madness, as a matter of fact. Everybody was running around the resort like crazy where I worked. Everyone was working on their budget and on their financials, forecasting and budgeting for the following year. That's the time that we did it. But as a business consulting firm for the medical aesthetics industry, that's a totally different game. We ask new clients when they first come to us if they forecast their success or if they have a budget. And in most cases, the answer is no. Well, it's totally different in corporate America. Everybody had a budget. But most in our industry don't have one. It becomes very difficult to actually do your work if you don't have a budget. And if you don't have the right tools to create the budget, that's what keeps people from actually creating one. So I want to introduce you to the forecasting and budget program that we have, which makes the process very easy. And if you have the right tools and directions on how to do it, that is where we come in to the rescue. So I want to really help you by discovering all the benefits of this program, because as a business owner, it's essential that you forecast and you budget. So you really need to plan your finances. If you don't forecast and you don't budget, then you're operating your business basically blindfolded, and that's not a good option. So in this program, you have everything that you need. You're gonna get a presentation, video explanation on how to do your actual program, and you also get the Excel file that's pre-formatted and pre-calculated to help you create that program. And once you have it, you'll be able to manage your business instead of your business managing you, which that's not what you want at all. So as a business owner, if you don't have a budget, then you really need to take the time to create one so you can know when you'll be succeeding. So you have actually in it 2 Excel files that are pre-formatted and pre-calculated. We give you one as a sample that's already filled out, or what an ideal budget should look like. And then the other one is a blank one, so you can put in your number. Plus, I explain for you step by step the entire process on how to forecast and how to budget for your business. So it's definitely a must-have program for your success library, so you can have financial health and make sure that you are on the right track. Now we're doing a special price. You can look below. We're going to give you a nice savings because this is the time to create your budget. You got to get busy, just like in my corporate world. We need to bring corporate into the medical spa industry and get everybody to actually do a budget and to be able to forecast for next year. So we make your life a lot easier. It's a program that you definitely need to have so you can have that financial clarity and great financial health. So go ahead and click below so you can learn more about it. Go into inspirationmanagement.com shop, take advantage of the savings, and use the word budget for your savings so you can get $500 off when you check out. So hope you take advantage of that. Happy budgeting. If you need any help, one of our business advisors is a financial expert. You can always call us up. They can help you set up your QuickBooks, chart of accounts, do your forecasting, do your budgeting, and set you up for success. So go ahead and do that. Take care of your finances, and they will take care of you. Until next time, stay inspired.